Welcome back, students. In this video, we'll work to sharpen our factoring skills. In each one of these examples, we are to factor out the greatest common factor. The greatest common factor in number 1, I noticed that each term is divisible by 5. 5 divides into 5, 5 divides into 30. I can factor out the 5. When I do that, what's left inside is what I get when I divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. That's 1m. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Perfect. There's the way I want you to show your work. Write the problem down. Put the factored form underneath. Let's try it again. Is there a common factor that I can divide out of both 27a and 9? Well, I noticed that 27 is divisible by 9, and 9 is divisible by 9. I can factor out the common factor of 9. When I do that, 27 divided by 9 is 3. This will be 3a. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Perfect. Do 6x squared and 18x have a common factor? Let's start with the numbers. 6 divides into 6. 6 divides into 18. We'll divide out a 6. These factors also each have an x. This one has 2 x's. This one has 1 x. They each have at least 1 x I could take out. There's an x that's common to both factors. Now divide. 6 divided by 6 is 1. And I've taken one of these x's out. 18 divided by 6 is 3, and I have factored the x out. There's the way I want my answer to look for number 3. These factoring problems are different. These are called factoring a difference of squares. The word difference means subtract. Squares, well, there's y squared. There's 2 squared. That's a difference of squares. Here's 7 squared, x squared, minus 1 squared. That's also a difference of squares. Difference of squares always factor by the same technique. Y squared is y times y. Take the square root of 4. That's 2. 4 is 2 times 2. Make 1 plus, make 1 minus. There's the way we want that to look. Let's use the same technique on number 2. The square root of 49, that's 7. So this will be 7x and 7x. The square root of 1 is 1. 1 times 1. Make 1 plus, make 1 minus. Doesn't matter which one's plus and which one's minus. That looks great. All right. Go sharpen your factoring skills and then meet me back here.